Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Heat. Are you prepared to make some tough animal choices today? Dive into our Pick One, Kick One Animals edition and see for yourself, with a lineup of 30 questions that will challenge your favorites. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome and thrilling challenges, and let's jump right in. First question, panda or koala? Next one, lion or tiger? Elephant or rhino? Dolphin or whale? Pick one, kick one. Would you choose eagle or falcon? What's your choice, penguin or puffin? Giraffe or zebra? Would you choose bear or wolf? Which one, kangaroo or wallaby? What's your pick, gorilla or chimpanzee? Cheetah or leopard? Would you choose otter or beaver? Make your choice, peacock or flamingo. Interesting question, sloth or armadillo? Do you prefer polar bear or grizzly bear? Pick one, kick one, sea turtle or starfish? Raccoon or skunk? That's a hard choice. Would you pick crocodile or alligator? Cockatoo or parrot? Would you pick fox or coyote? Make your choice, horse or donkey. Hare or rabbit? This one's tough, bison or buffalo? Pick one, kick one. Moose or elk, what would you choose? What's your choice, shark or orca? Meerkat or prairie dog? antelope or gazelle? Red panda or giant panda? Thank you for watching the video. We hope you had a great time on our channel. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this, and see you in the next video.